Chapman from Helen Fire Station. Received a call tonight initially to a rubbish fire. On arrival we found the house well alight. All occupants were accounted for. We've had a number of exposures, including bees, asbestos, a large number of gas cylinders, as well as the high winds which were pushing the fire towards the property next door. We've been able to save the exposures. Most of the house, 80% of the house in the original fire has been destroyed. The occupant required attention by emergency medical responders from the Fire Brigade and Ambulance Victoria. He started to show signs of a heart attack